Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to resolve or how to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type or browse services and hit enter. In this new window, browse for Bluetooth hands-free service or Bluetooth support device. Double click. The service is called svchost.exe. You can change to automatic or manual option and start the service. Click on apply and click on OK. You can try restart the service, is other option, and you can retry your Bluetooth device connect to the computer in this moment. When the process or service is running, click on close and select for troubleshootings or troubleshoot settings. Hit enter and select additional troubleshooters. Scroll down and select Bluetooth and click on run the troubleshooter. One click, and if you receive any setup of wizard, you can select next install. In this case, I don't connect any device. Close this window, and the third solution is go to the start menu and right click and select device manager. In this new window, browse for your device in this list. For this tutorial, I select this device for example, pero you can locate your Bluetooth adapter or hardware device. Right click in your Bluetooth device and select update driver is the first option, and click on search automatically for drivers. Click on next install, and you can receive this message: Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Click on close, and you can try reconnect your device Bluetooth. For apply the change additional to this tutorial, restart your computer. Click on the start button and select restart. And thanks for watching. I hope to help you in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.